Alright, we're going to drain the second battery we're testing. URGENEX 2200 milliamp. I'm also going to run the Truggy tires that we got for the Truggy conversion. These might be a good solution as Truggy tires if they can hold up. We'll see. I'm a little leery of them. But they got a lot of traction, tons of traction, so this will be an off-road rig. Yeah, no problem at all. I'm digging it. Digging it a lot. Zone in a minute there. That was some good running. And still plenty of gas. Smooth run, you know, that's my biggest jinx. Good running, good running. So I would say you get 30-40 minutes easy, probably more. And these are good rigs, man. They're draining. And they're not, you know, it's not a 60 amp going nutty, 110, but these are little batteries. They're not the batteries for that. These are for your AC axis, your 114, all your little guys. So stuff I like. That's why they're perfect. I think we've proved our point. We had a break in between, so we can't really judge it. But these things, the tires are awesome. I'm gonna keep them on it. I might put them on the carbon 12. Because that's really what they're intended for. Oh, that's nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed my rambling and rock driving. Alright, this will be the test. We'll do a balloon test, full speed. Reflect. Ooh, she's a little warm. Okay, that's 65%. They don't really balloon at all. That's pretty cool. Now this is a pretty dead flat battery, so hard to say. We'll test our temps again. 141, a little hotter than last time. So we pushed it. We pushed it. Good run today. I'm pretty happy. Ooh, my heat shrink's getting gooey. That means it's hot. It's all these tires. That's the other reason I wanted the tires, because it's going to push that motor a little more than it would normally. So anyways, hope you like it, subscribe. That's all for now. got some of this.